First things first, I need to get rid of all this excess glue out from inside the body around the neck joint. Now, that'll assure me that when I go to reglue the neck in, that I'll have a good wood-to-wood contact for it to adhere to. Now, I could use my wood chisels to do this. However, there's always that potential that it can slip and tear a piece of wood out of the body, and I don't want that to happen. So I've got my trusty rotary tool here. It's a lot slower process, but I'd rather be safe than sorry when dealing with other people's instruments. So I'm going to make a short video clip, and then I'm going to turn the video off and continue on. And after that, I'll see you next video. Okay, that's enough for show and tell today. I'll see y'all next video.